Hello, my name is Benito Nye Jr. and this is my what is this thing called? This is my like video production where I gather multiple uh, videos of me and my cousin, and I just put them into one part. I was able to use, I think the five that I used was full shot, close up, extreme wide shot, and full body. But I also put movement. All of them are all handheld because I don't really have like that dolly and like stuff like that. So here I just gather the clips and then just added the text. So here we go. So here is wide shot and the movement's handheld, as you can see. And wide shot is basically from the waist up. And the next one is a extreme wide shot. Here's where it's with the background and it's basically him with multiple scenes, so that's why he's far away. A cowboy shot is basically from like mid, like up to your like thighs, but like mid up. That's what cowboy shot is. And for, I think it's, yeah, close up is very well self-explanatory. And then for full shot, it's basically the full body. Now, some of the videos I took, it did come out blurry a little bit, but there are times where it didn't come out blurry. So, and I use all the settings and at the same time, so I don't know like what's up with that, but those are all the clips I shot with. Alright, well, thank you for watching and listening, and I hope you have a good day.